to cool happenings. Everything I find cool and amazing. Your one-stop channel for all your accessible tech solutions.
Hey there. Subscribe to my channel. And also press this bell icon, so you never miss any new updates, cause whenever we upload new video you will get a notification on your phone.
Hello and welcome to Cool Happening Accessible Tech Tutorial. Have you ever wondered or wanted to share files and media to your friends and family members, but found that it was rather difficult due to, for one thing, of course, lack of such services that offer file sharing capability, and services that do offer file sharing have very limited file sharing storage limits, and when they do offer storage increase or higher capacity file sharing limits, they often come with a hefty price or a heavy price tag. But don't worry, in this demonstration I'm going to show you an easy and quick way of sharing files, many files with large file sizes for free. So without further ado, let's proceed. So guys, the service I'm talking about is called Firefox Send. It's quite a new service, recently introduced around the month of March. But the amazing thing about this service is that it's quick, easy and effective, and most of all, it's free. It's totally free. Now, most people would like to share files to friends and family members or to contacts, to complete their tasks, projects, but many a times we face troubles or problems when trying to share files because of the lack of services available. There are such services of file sharing, but the thing is they are limited in the amount of files they can share. Most of them are pricey, as I mentioned earlier, and the file sharing limit is low as well. But with Firefox Send, you can send as many files as you wish, up to 1 gigabyte for the free service, for the service without an account, and a 2.5 GB file sharing limit with a registered account. So which basically means if you register with your email, you make an account, then you have the ability to share up to 2.5 GB files on Firefox Send. So I'll show you now how you can use the service to share your files. Firstly, for some information for you all, Firefox Send only works on, currently at the moment at least, only works on the Firefox browser on your mobile phone. For both Android and iOS devices, it works on Firefox on your PC, on the Mac. It also works on Chrome for your PC, and it also works on Microsoft Edge. Okay, so this browser supports the Firefox Send website. So without further ado, let's proceed. So I'm going to open the Firefox Send, which is in fact right now loaded on my Firefox browser on my iPhone. So let's get there. So it's in the background. So let's go to App Switcher.
Switcher. Recorder. Active. Settings. Active. File converter. Launcher. Active. WhatsApp. Active. Firefox. Active.
Let's load
Actions available. Close Firefox. Activate. All. Firefox. Firefox. Button.
Now for this demonstration, I'm just going to demonstrate the free version, which means without using an account. Although I do have an account, but instead of showing the account where I'm not in fact going to share a large file, it's going to be a small file, so I will not have to actually log into this site, which means I'll use the free version. The free version gives me 1 GB of file sharing limit. I can share as many files as I wish, up to 1 GB. I can break it down to different files with different formats and different file sizes, up to 1 GB in file total storage sharing limit. And the service gives me the option it gives 1 day or 1 time download option, by which I mean the person receiving the file will have a 1-time download availability, and it will be available for 1 day. But if you have an account, then you get 2.5 GB of file sharing limit, and you can leave the file on the firefox server, file sharing server, up to 1 week or 7 days, and that is a much better option. So I would recommend all of you to register and create an account, because it surely gives you much better options. But for this demonstration, I'm just going to show the free version. So once you open Firefox on your browser, on the iPhone, you start swiping from left to right, and let's proceed.
Secure connection. Image. Send firefox.com. Character. Words. Text selection. Speaking rate. 60%. Words. Characters.
Let's swipe.
Page options menu.
Reduce
Button.
the speech rate to make it more easier listenable to new voiceover users. So let's swipe.
Slash. Visited. Link. Banner. Landmark.
Okay, let's swipe.
Sign in / up. Button. And banner.
So here you get the option to sign in or sign up, but I'm not going to sign up, so let's swipe. You can sign up here for new members or new interested file sharing or file sharer to be right. So you have the option to sign up here. Let's swipe.
Image. Main. Landmark. Drag and drop files.
Okay, drag and drop files. So let's swipe.
Or click to send up to 1 GB.
Or click to send up to 1 GB is mentioned here, which means this is the free version. Let's swipe.
Select files to upload. Button.
Select files to upload button. So you do a 1-finger double tap.
Take photo or video.
Now you get the option to either take a photo or video using your iPhone camera, or you can swipe right.
Photo library.
Photo library. Swipe right again one more time.
Browse.
Browse. So we take the browse option, because the browse option gives you the ability to select files from within your iPhone storage space. So let's do 1-finger double tap on browse.
Locations. Back button.
Now I'm in fact in my iPhone locations folder, which is in fact I've selected Dropbox as my file selection app. So let's swipe.
Books. Heading.
I'm in fact in books folder in my Dropbox app on my iPhone. So I'm going to swipe, because I have here a sample of a file which I'm going to upload for this demonstration. So let's swipe.
Cancel. Button.
Okay, let's swipe.
Search. Search field. New folder. Button.
I'm going to just continuously swipe till I get to the intended file.
Sorted by name. Button. List view. Button. 1,000 miles to freedom. Escape from North Korea. 28/03/19. 240. 2 megabyte. In iCloud. Audio.
I'm just going to share a small file. This file is large. It will take a long time to upload. I mean, longer than normal. So I'm going to reduce time. The swipe.
An immersion into Windows 10 with JAWS for Windows. Yesterday, 383 kilobytes. PDF document.
This is only 383 kilobytes, so I'll double tap this file to select it, and you notice the uploading is phenomenally fast, very fast. It will be fast for the larger files as well, but you will create a longer recording, so I don't want that. So let's double tap on this file. It's let's see the title, listen to the title.
How to create an immersion into Windows 10 with JAWS for Windows. Yesterday, 383 kilobytes. PDF document.
An immersion into JAWS for Windows. It's accessible based PDF. I would say a PDF file. Let's do a one finger double tap here.
Selected. And button.
And it's already uploaded so fast. Once it uploads to the file send Mozilla Firefox file send server, then you start swiping here.
Secure connection. Image. Send firefox.com/text field.
Just going to swipe
Actions available.
from left to right till I get to the the next option where I can upload give the command to upload the file to the Firefox send server. So let's swipe.
Page options menu. Button. / visited. Link. Banner. Sign in /up. Button. End. Banner.
We are back at the same page where we get the same options we saw earlier.
Image. Main. Landmark. Image. An immersion into Windows 10 with JAWS for Windows. PDF. Heading level 1.
So that's the first file we just uploaded from Dropbox.
373.7 kilobytes.
It tells you the file size.
Delete. Button.
You can delete it if you choose to, or you can continue swiping.
Select files to upload. Button.
Here you have the option to add more files up to 1 GB in size, but I'm not going to do that, but you can do it if you choose to. Let's swipe.
Image. Select files to upload. Total size 373.7 kilobytes. Expires after. 1 download. Pop-up button.
Okay, you see it says expires after 1 download, pop-up button, but there is no option here. For the free version, it's only a 1 upload, or you will say swipe right.
Or 1 day. Pop-up button.
You get 1 day of expiry time limit. So after 1 day, the upload expires and you don't have the option to download. You have to re-upload it. It's only for the free version, but for the version with an account, you get up to 2.5 GB and up to 7 days of file storage limit or expiry limit. So you get 7 days, and people can take up to 7 days to download the file. They don't have to rush. That's the amazing, the perks, I would say, for having an account with the file send service on Mozilla Firefox. So let's swipe.
Protect with password. Checkbox.
You can
Unchecked.
have the option to give it a password. So if you check it here, you check this checkbox, then you have the option to key in a password. But I'm not going to do that now. You have the option to, and you may choose to do so if you like. So let's swipe.
Upload button.
Then finally you upload. So do a 1 finger double tap to upload your file to the Firefox send service.
Share link and main.
Okay, so you've already uploaded. Now you get the option.
Reader mode available.
Whatever.
Secure connection. Image. Send firefox.com/error. Reader view button.
Okay, because
Actions available.
I took too long to just. I'll now redo it quickly because I think there's a time limit before the upload expires.
Page options menu. / sign in / something went wrong. Try Firefox send for simple. Try Firefox send button. End. Main. An immersion into window button. Secure connection. Send Firefox. Page options / sign in / image. Drag and drop or click to send up. Select files to up. Sign in to send up to 2. Select file or click to send up to 1 GB. Drag and drop files or click to send up to 1 GB. Select files to upload button. Take photo or video.
I'll do it quickly now.
Photo library. Browse. Cancel. Photo library. Button. Photos. Heading. Cancel. Button. Secure connection. Page. Drag or select files to upload. Button. Take photo or video. Photo library. Browse. locations. Back button. Book. Cancel. Sir. New. List. About. How to create an immersion into selected. Button. Secure connection. Send file. Page option. Slap. Sign in. Image. And 300. Delete. Select. Image. Select. Totals. Expired. 1 down. Or. Protect. Upload. Image. Main. Upload. Button. Share link. And. Main. An immersion into Windows 10 with JAWS for Windows. PDF. https:// share link button.
So once you upload it, you click on the upload button, then you can double tap on share link here. Listen to this.
Share link
Share
button.
Link, double tap here.
Button.
And then you
airdrop recipient. No one found yet. Image.
It's the usual share sheet menu which pops up, and you can then share it to whoever you choose to. So for this, I will share it to my favorite app, which is WhatsApp. So let's work till we find WhatsApp.
Airdrop. Message. Mail. Add to notes. WhatsApp. Button. Draggable.
Double tap.
Cancel. Button.
I'll share it to my friend who is in fact waiting for this file, for this book, this PDF book called An Immersion into JAWS for Windows.
Search. Frequently contacted. Mom Eleanor. Nyoman Chris. Ahmed Ibrahim Sudan FT.
Mr. Ahmed Ibrahim from Sudan. One finger double tap.
Selected. Ibrahim Sudan FT.
And send it.
Next. Button. Text field is editing. Download an immersion into Windows 10 with JAWS for Windows. PDF with Firefox Send. Simple. Safe file sharing. https://sendfirefox.com/download/288F4582C292,076C.
So you can see the receiver gets the file with the file title and the download link. So it looks kind of professional and interesting. Then instead of just a link, it sends it with the file name, so the receiving end actually gets to know what the file is all about. So let's send the file.
Quick nav off. Top of document. Quick nav off. Top of document. Quick nav on. 2. Send. Button.
And that's it. You send the link. The link will for the free version, the free account. My friend will have 1 day to download the file, otherwise it will expire, and I have to re-upload the file to the file send servers or the file send website once more. But if I have to log in with my account, then I get 2.5 gigabytes GB and up to 7 days of time limit before the file expires. So just to show you the account version, let's swipe.
Secure connection. Send Firefox. Page options. /sign in /up. Image. Drag and drop or click to send up to 1 gigabyte.
Okay, this is for the free account. Now let's swipe.
Select files to upload. Button.
Okay, let's swipe.
Select files to upload. Button.
Swipe.
Sign in to send up to 2.5 gigabytes.
Now, sign in to send up to 2.5 gigabytes, and you will see later.
Image.
You have a 7-day time limit before the file expires. You get the same options, only longer period of time, and the file can be downloaded multiple times up to 7 days.
Image.
So you see guys, it's a good service, and I hope you will find this demonstration useful. I'll put the download link for the Firefox Send website in the description box just below the video, so head down there and get the link. And till I see you all again in the next demonstration, take care, have a wonderful day ahead, and stay blessed.